enter data. Enter data. Create a new table by typing or pasting in your new content. Means you can enter data directly and use the data in your reports. For example, you can copy portions of workbook and web pages, then paste it into a Power BI desktop. To enter data directly into a Power BI desktop in the form of a new table and select the enter data. Now we will have a better understanding of entering data in your Power BI desktop. Here it is a column and we can insert column and we can insert row and you can change it. Example name, and in column 2 we can change it as age. So here we can keep as example name as your wish, and second name and third name, and we can change it, we can keep it on age 21 as your wish. So we can load it. So it is loading. So here it is a table and we can see our data. So we can see our data.